guys, today is our market day. Let's go and join me. Punta tayo ng palengke. Hi guys, this is Kantilan Public Market and it is a seafood market which is located at Herrera Street, Kantilan, Surigao del Sur, Caraga, Philippines. Okay guys, bago tayo bumili sa palengke, dito muna tayo. Ayan. This is located at the back of the market. So, this water is a river connected to the ocean. So, the fishermen's from catching direct to the market. So, you can really buy a fresh fish in the market. Fresh seafoods. These are the boats of the fishermen. Dito nila dinadala. Pagkatapos nilang mahuli, dinadala nila sa palengke. Kaya preskong-presko buy. Ang sarap-sarap kasi preskong-presko talaga. You can see that these are their boats to deliver their fish in here. So, that is the connected water to the islands. So, let's go and explore and let's buy some seafoods.
Isa lang, madam.
Seafood section. Dito nyo mabibili ang mga seafoods. Fresh seafoods.
Capresco. Pila sa pan squid? 480 na. Wow. 450 yan. Yan na po lahat po. Sorry. Ito po 80. Pila ka squid? Squid. Wala na squid. Kami pang presko. Kini dyan okos?
Okos? Kurang dito. May mga
Dito naman ang meat section.
Meat section. Ay, ito.
Bakit? 5. Lihat
Pananglitan. Fisting? That's all I took today. Shrimp. So shrimp. So what? Ulay.
Gulay or vegetable sections, root crops or spices, condiments. You can buy it here also at the side.
Excuse me.
And in this area is if you want them to clean your fish, they can also clean.
I vlog too. all for today's video. On the other side.
So, in this side, makakabili ka dito ng say grapes o lato. Ano ba ang lato sa inyo? Shell, seaweeds, at meron ding mga kakanin. So, ayan. Kung gusto mong kumain na, nagugutom ka ng mamalingke, pwede kang pumili dito ng mga kakanin. Thank you for joining me, guys. And don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share. Please to support me. And also, you can support me by sending people and joining my membership. And loves you!